In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect 4 controllers to PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set up 4 controllers and connect all of them to a single PC. I'm going to be showcasing how to do this with Xbox controllers. However, the process should work with any other type of controller that you have. Just follow the same general steps and you will be able to connect all of them to your PC. This is going to work for standard desktop PCs, but also any sort of laptop that you have. There are 2 main ways to connect controllers to a PC, either wireless, which is what I recommend and what I'm going to show first, and then you have the wired mode option, which uses a standard USB cable. So to start, for wireless, all that you have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Most controllers will use a Bluetooth connection. Now, if your controller doesn't support Bluetooth, usually you will have a dongle that you just have to plug into an available USB port on your computer. So if that's the case for you, plug the dongle into a USB port and then power on the controller or press a specific combination of buttons. For the official Xbox controller specifically, you just enable Bluetooth on your PC and you press this connect button. This will make it appear under the list of available devices. So choose the option to add a Bluetooth device, press the connect button, and then choose it from the list. And you just have to repeat this 4 times with every single controller. All of them will remain connected at the same time, and you can open any sort of co-op or PvP game that you want to play with all the controllers. Alternatively, if you want to use a wired connection for Xbox controllers, you will be connecting the USB-C end into the controller and then usually USB-A into your computer. Because you will need 4 ports, it is better to use the ones at the back of your PC on your motherboard. But of course, you can use USB-C as well if you want. And as long as you establish the connection by plugging one end of the cable into the controller and then the other one into the PC, they are also going to be detected. You can mix and match, so you can have, for example, 1 controller that is wired and then 3 other ones that are wireless. You can have 2 wired, 2 wireless, and basically set it up however you prefer. If your specific controller doesn't follow the methods that I mentioned here, then you will have to look into the manual for your specific model. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect 4 controllers to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.